Good morning. This is David Olshan of Nevada Legal Services. It's Monday, March 15th, 2021, and this is your COVID-19 update. As we know, the stimulus package provided $300 extra in PUA benefits, extended unemployment benefits, PEUC, and regular unemployment benefits until September 6th. This is an extension of PUA as well. But the problem is the Employment Security Division, the Department of Employment Training and Rehabilitation, Alyssa Cafferata has asked for patience because they will not be able to enact it quick enough. The Consolidated Appropriations Act, December 21st, 2020, has not been available for most people here in Nevada. They said it would take 4 weeks. It's now 11 weeks, and we'll see what happens. Patience is really an obscene word at this point, given the excessive delays and incompetence of the Employment Security Division. This is part of the overall structure of the Employment Security Division in DETR. They have language barriers. If English is your second language, you're going to have trouble requesting a hearing or seeking benefits. Hearing notices require you to notify the Employment Security Division 48 hours before the hearing, which is redundant. Burdens of proof, sometimes they'll say you're eligible for benefits in other states, but not provide any proof of that. It just is part of the general policy of the Employment Security Division to put the onus on the employee to establish that they are eligible, and that's really not how this system should work. A good example is that federal regulations, federal law requires the Employment Security Division to disperse benefits within 14 days, or they could possibly lose Department of Labor funding. Of course, they overlook that, and they emphasize the fraud aspect, which does require them to combat fraud, but also ensure timely payments to claimants. So this is their emphasis on denying benefits to employees, helping employers, and not really doing their job in the state of Nevada. If it's been more than 14 days since you applied for unemployment benefits, if you need help with an unemployment issue, please fill out an online intake, nlslaw.net, or email us directly at puawritnow@gmail.com if you've been waiting too long for your unemployment benefits and you want to do something about it. And I will be back with more COVID-19 updates.